Ready? Let's see. Little things have to do that. No.
Don't press too hard, you might break it because it's very easy to open.
No. Okay.
Yeah. If I can get another 30 seconds, this is going on YouTube.
How to occupy an idiot.
Trying to open a simple laptop. The light bulb's going to go off in a second.
Yes, sir. Yep. Yeah. No, I did not. I had him out there. Come on, Jeff. Hey, this one here, I already cut. Well, I just cut the size. I seamed it right here. And
At the normal place.
yeah, 4 inches out of the corner, 29.5 off the wall. I need a template for this one so we can cut that notch.
Okay.
The rest of them I don't need a template for.
This is going on YouTube. This is Jeff trying to open a laptop.
You want to take a stab at it?
So you can put me on YouTube.
So you can be on YouTube. How to occupy two knuckleheads. Okay, I give up. Okay, honestly, how long did it take you to open it the first time?
Less than 2 seconds. We're at 2 minutes now, Jeff. Whoa, 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 don't do that.
This has got to come up out of there or something. See that's down a little hole? It flips up. What is that? I mean, doesn't that look like you should just go like that or something? That little arrow?
It looks like you should just push it and pop up or something.
One would think.
Okay.
Don't put me on YouTube down.
This is good. This is good stuff right here. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 minutes of prime video right here. Oh, and he's got the Georgia Tech sweatshirt on. Real genius. Oh, this is so ironic. The Georgia Tech sweatshirt. At 3.5 minutes. Wow. This is crazy.
Okay, I'm going to Google it on this one.
That's Georgia Tech for you. He's going to Google it on the desktop.
Okay, that's pretty damn inventive, but you could go to the other computer and Google how to open this one.
Whatever it takes to make you feel good. Yeah, don't break anything. Wow. Using that computer to open that computer.
Turn on tech support. How do you get the tech support number?
Yeah, call tech support. Get an Indian involved. They probably went to Georgia Tech too.
Don't they?
Almost had a heart attack.
Now that's my ribs are sore.
Make sure I get the Georgia Tech logo in there. This is good.
You gotta turn over the move.
Okay.
Thank you.
What did Google say? So proud of himself. He was trying to open it backwards.